I think it's high time I tell you about me. If some of you are have been with me for quite some time, some of you are first timers here. So though though by now you would have already known this, but I will just quickly tell you that I'm co-author of a book on entrepreneurship along with my life partner and business partner Ankur. Okay, I was a struggling job seeker turned entrepreneur. In 2006, along with my husband, I started a IT consulting firm, and since then until 2017, 7 diverse businesses in 11 years of entrepreneurship. Okay, and I have got to play many key roles in my IT employment, from a system engineer in development teams to a system tester in test teams and deployment of solutions. That is my work-life experience. As an entrepreneur, I have ventured into IT, non-IT, B2B, B2C products, where there were different ticket sizes of the product, different types of customers, different team, the qualification of team. So all in all, over these years, I've acquired great business acumen. And I realized that to knowledge business especially requires a lot of entrepreneurship skills along with delivering your courses, right? So that is why the knowledge business model takes care of all of these aspects, not just create and sell courses, because then you are just a freelancer, affiliate marketer, solopreneur, trying to generate some income. Okay, some income where your additional side income. So if this is side income for you, then my course is going to be very advanced level course for you. Okay, if you're trying to just make side income with this business model, then it's not for you. But if you really want to build a serious business which has potential to make revenue in crores, then I invite you to be part of my community and continue to learn from this place, because you get everything. Your search for your desired success ends with me, not because I'm saying so, because I have a credible past. Okay, so I'm mother of 2. I have a very loving, caring, supporting husband who simply transformed my life. He's my life partner as well as my business partner, and I'm a very ordinary person with very humble beginnings. And we'll talk about it some other time. All I will say is that I started my entrepreneurship journey when I did not even know the word lead and commercial. From there, okay, so if I can do it, anybody can do it. Okay, and I have lived by one law of life, which is giver's gain. My life reflects growth and giving, and that is why I'm so excited about this business model, knowledge business model, because this digital world empowers you to be a giver. No other business empowers you to be a giver. If you come to my jewelry shop and you're buying one earring, you cannot say, Vandana, give me one pendant free, matching pendant free. Why? Because I have a cost for the product. But along with my courses, when I digitize my courses, I can give you 5 courses free. I can give you 8 courses free. What is my cost? The courses are already created. So this business model empowers you to live by the giver's gain philosophy. Okay. And the values that I have been living my life on are integrity, independence, and inclusiveness. Right. I'm just going to move forward. So I've already discussed that how I became an entrepreneur. I was the scapegoat in bell curve normalization office politics during maternity. So I simply decided to quit. First of all, I struggled to find job. After 3 years of graduation, I was from a private engineering college. I got into TCS in 1999. I was a 96 graduate. Okay. So I really struggled to get into right job that matched my talents and skills. And then I had to leave because of being victim of office politics. And then I didn't even know that I will end up becoming an entrepreneur and open not only just one business, 7 diverse businesses. And that is why I'm saying that I have grown horizontally. Okay, across 7 diverse businesses, because if you don't stay focused on one business, there is no vertical growth. There is only horizontal growth. We are happy because we learned a lot. There will be a lot of learnings and insights. Is that what you want? Then great. But if you're looking for revenue growth, then it has to be just one business focused in that direction. Right? So I have invested a lot in my trainings since 2013 until today. As we speak today, I have invested more than 92 lakhs learning from world's best. Because I already was a successful entrepreneur by 2012-13. We were featured in CNBC in 2009. And then we realized that with whatever we know and our skills, we could reach only to a certain level. Beyond that, we need mentors in our life who are doing much better than us, who are minimum 10 times ahead of us. If they're 100x ahead of us, and if we get to work with them, awesome, because they are doing something that we can also apply in our businesses. And that's how my journey of investing in my own learnings began. I had no clue until 2017 that I would be doing what I'm doing today, right? These are my spiritual mentors. Okay. So I already spoke about my investment, right? So you're not learning from someone who just popped up from somewhere. Okay. So these are some of my achievements and accomplishments that you would like to see. Transform lives of many people. I've created an entrepreneur in just 28 days. Right now he's running a fresh brews cafe in Coimbatore. Okay. With my program, right? So we spoke about depth of your knowledge. Why this success? Because deep experiential insights. Experiential insights is important, not read. I don't read books. All these books that you see belongs to my husband. He is a good reader. Okay. So I don't read books and apply. Life has been a great teacher, learned, failed, make mistakes, being an action taker. I believe there is nothing to lose. What is there to lose? When I was born, I didn't bring anything. When I will go, I will not take anything. Then what is there to lose? Even 10 rupees I made, it is a profit, because when I came into this world, what did I bring? Nothing, not even clothes on me, nothing. Only this body. That too will go when I'm going out of this planet, right? So what is there to lose? There's nothing to lose. Once you orient yourself there, beautiful dimensions of life open up. And that comes when you speak with depth. There is depth to your content, and it becomes right, relevant, and risk-free content.